The other day, my husband was working out and he was doing cartwheels. As many of you know, he is a professional jump roper, and so he does cartwheels pretty often just to keep in shape so that when he goes and does shows that he can still do them. While he was doing the cartwheels, I got thinking about like the radius and the arc length and being able to find the different degrees of the cartwheel. So here in the orange one, we've got that the arc length is 372 and our radius is 3. From that, we can figure out what the degree is between his leg and his arm if we use the belly button as the center of our circle. I thought, how cool is that? You could also look at the green example over here. So keep in with the belly button as the center. And if we have the angle, so we have theta equals 67 degrees, and we have the radius, we could then figure out the arc length. There's so many different uses in real life of these topics. I love it so much.